Hello there, everybody. Hello, everybody. Anyway, so hopefully my voice will be getting to you much better. Soundtracks will be much better because this all the speakers are good, because I found that problem. Actually, the main problem is the distance from your mouth, like this, this, or this. So this is the thing that going to give you much better voice response. Anyway, so I would like to share my screen and I would like to show you some details of Manus AI, new things I am seeing. Okay, so this is Manus. Okay, so this is the Manus AI, and they are really fast in doing things. Actually, they every week they are probably releasing two updates. Like this is a new update in agent preference, so you can change the agent preference from here. This is actually their experimental beta version, means testing version, so it's not yet probably, but they are going to bring them into main versions anyway. So first I am going to see all the updates. So they are really uh, you can see it's June 26th, there is an update. L- Before that there was June 20. So within 6 days they are releasing updates, and each and every updates are quite meaningful and quite, if you can understand, means they are quite very impressive and means I what I should say that uh, they are kind of one step forward. So there, this Manus team are doing a very good, and they are working very fast. So first, they're using their in agent preference and cloud browser. They have included within 6 days ago. So you can browse your credits, actually.
Tired of logging into multiple platforms every day? Today, we are introducing Manus Cloud Browser. Before you get started, just head to Manus settings and turn on Cloud Browser. Just log in once the first time you run a task, Manus will remember it for you. After that, just enter a prompt and close the app. It'll take care of the rest. No more logins, no more interruptions. Most of your websites and platforms all logged in all at once. Got exclusive or paid content behind a login? Let Manus in and help you stay ahead applying the content you've already paid. And don't worry, your privacy comes
So
first. If you want to stop auto login, simply go to settings, remove any authorized websites. Alternatively, switch off Cloud Browser anytime or just turn it off when exiting the control window. Remembers, acts, protects. Empowering Cloud Browser runs the task, but you stay in charge.
and I think their depictions are really great. Means you can understand everything very easily. There is no jargons. There are no different names. This and that. This tool, multiple window, different technology. No, they are very simple, straightforward. What they are saying that you can use cookie type session management,
Content behind a
and you don't need to log in, just like any Google Chrome browser or any Firefox browser. If you have logged in from your primary account, be it Google, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, anything. So if you are logged in from your account, you can just you can, for Manus browser, they are providing different browser altogether in a different system. They are having actually virtual private server type VPS type system, where you can create your own agents, you can play with them, you can customize them, or you can uh, create different types of mm, business flows, edit flows. So you can do everything, most of the things from this. This is actually AI agentic platform. It's actually artificial general intelligence. I have demoed earlier on Manus. If you can see my videos. So whatever
Log
this.
in, let Manus in, and help you stay ahead applying the content you've already paid. And don't worry, your privacy comes first. If you want to
So
stop,
they are having as it is showing from settings you can just keep this option on or customize this, or you can just stop the class browser from here or from here. So this is they are actually pretty fast. So persist login state across tasks, you can log it off, no problem, you can switch off, and by that way you can uh, stop using Manus cloud browser. So here you can it's optional, cloud browser is optional, you can use as per your will. If you want you can use, if you don't want you don't you can't means you not don't need to use. So there are and the advantages is that you don't need to log in manually repeatedly on particular sites, and whenever you are logging in, that means you are going to work with your own personal data anyway. So I am going to agent interface related thing. So agent interface is a feature which is this is a feature, this is quality or speed, means agent preference, switch between agent architectures to preview performance and behavior changes. And this is a feature lab. As I told, this is beta version, they are testing something. If they are getting successful, they are going to bring those changes into their main versions or main trunk, or like in GitHub in repository related thing. So this is Mano. So there is my account, and every day daily you are going to get around 300 credits total. I have, you can upgrade it always, no problem. There are other edit profiles, there are settings. Mm, so mm, you can keep all your settings on. I have, as I have did. So no problem, no problem anyway. There are usage I have used earlier, lots of this is running, it will take time. I am not going to details on this. I don't have that much of time, and I don't want to waste much time also. So this is a shared task. You can manage shared task, share files, deployed offset. You can deploy your website there. Means whatever you can do with a computer and internet, you can just using Manus. You can just do all of them just by voice command. You don't need to. I have earlier showed that it once it was probably browsing around 45 sites, and all those sites is got selected. I have showed earlier in my video, and I can remember that those are really quite very refined search results. So they provide very good feedbacks and results, as far as means without any paid plan. It's a free plan, and that 300 credits is more than enough for running a single job in a day, and which you can yeah, you can do, you can schedule some task, no problem. You can schedule a new schedule and do some simple prompts here. You can do those prompts will be running each day for a particular amount of time. So Okay, time allocation is not there. Anyway, it should be. Cloud browser is there. Versus login state across task. Currently, I am doing this. Let's see. Connected apps are there. So I have connected Google Drive, OneDrive, Microsoft OneDrive. I connected earlier, but let's see. I have mapped my account with Google actually. So it should, but it is again means you can connect different drive. Means one account you can use for login to Manus, another account you can connect to access their data. It's possible, very much possible, no problem. Mm, okay, there are lots of okay, and the thing is that these are the settings as I was showing you. This is the feature lab, all these things, connected apps. Okay, this got connected. I can connect this one also. No need to. I don't want to make it complicated as of now. I want it to be lightweight and fast because I hate slow things. So these are the things. AI powered digital adoption strategy, cinematic themes. These are some sample things. You can do hell lot more things with this. Actually, hell lot more things. You don't worry about it. There are lots and lots of use cases. So you can go through those use cases as I was going through earlier. So yeah, there are very new and interesting use cases are there. Okay, this is I would like to CRISPR therapy white paper. BPN model for trademark filing scenario. Acha, the generative interactive you can see from here. The thing Japan LBO targets. So somebody has. I would like to check these spaces. These are really interesting for me. Means people are thinking lot more advanced and without getting introduced to these things you cannot understand. I have also created lots of interactive things and advanced things, but the thing is that it's really fun to work together. Hmm. Tax policy visualization tool. So let's see the space. This is means this is their default domain. Okay, okay. So current tax, flat tax the rich. Now our taxpayer residents. Okay. Whenever you are creating something, you need to make those things easily understandable for the person sitting next to you. So this is how you can simplify things. Here, in this case, tax policy visualizer explores how tax parameters influence government revenue. Okay, there is a level club. Flat tax rate is fixed as 30%. Current tax system, flat tax. Okay, tax the rich. So you are putting standard. Okay, so there is probably anyway. It's okay. Okay, as long as revenue is increasing, probably you need to continue doing what you are doing because even if that is wrong, you need to continue. So that is the thing because market is your ultimate master, and there are no master more than markets. So okay, uh, Japan LVO. What is that? Displays. I'm not want to create a site only. I want to create some idea and do some pitch decks. That's it. I don't have. I don't need to create so the world another site and talking like blah blah blah. So it doesn't work. You need to do things and you need to show some proofs. Other than that, how can what is the Japan LB? This is the space there have only uploaded. Okay, this is a simple game. People are developing game. How funny is that? How funny is that people are developing games? No problem. The thing is that probably my space is better than those things. This seems as like not quite, not at par my standard as you know. So okay, okay. Very few have enabled replays actually. I don't know why. Okay, this is the replay I'd like to show you because whenever you are playing the replay, you can get to understand how things work inside Manus without wasting your own coin. Because I have to keep my coins to do something else as of now. Uh, okay. I'll create a for my past API course. So this is the Manus computer, and inside this computer, the Manus terminal is running. Manus editor is running. Terminal is running. So they are going to give you a total computer a sandbox actually, Ubuntu sandbox. So from there, you need to work as per your workflow. You just need to bring your workflow. What do you need? Bring your workflow, and that's it. There is all the platforms are there. Whenever you are bringing some workflow or some ideas to Manus, and it will create planning, website hosting, everything. It's like Google Cloud in a single window. You don't need to think about cost or something because as long as I know, their hosting is probably free. So yeah, you can map it to any hosting site because I have my some of my domains and I am going to point some of the domains even if it's other people's because or else I can just try it yourself. So you can do it, try it yourself and make your own custom domain and your own you can host your own website. So that is really possible with these things, and you can see it is inbuilt changing and as far as my knowledge goes, Manus uses DeepSeek in the back end actually because it's Chinese as long as so this is the they're actually updating the files one by one, creating the files, heading text. Okay, so they have this site they have created. You can see and develop. this is also developing course modules also. You don't need to bother about the agency. Obviously you can get into the process, you can get into the process and you can edit them. Where, okay, you can edit the custom files. uh, so you know how long a task can run because it's still working, and if I have just started something, it will take long and long time. So anyway, it's one by one Manus research additional first API topics. So it is actually uh, researching as well as it is putting into the document as well as in the website. Manus, because the context is please start the new chat. Okay, up to this they have Manus has replay completed. You can do watch again, or you can just go to the particular site and browse that site. Okay, so yes, it was doing something as much as I can understand, but which is not clear what it was working on. So this is the site course. So I have created this. Did I check that? Okay, open that link, and from here you can see that this is a comprehensive first API course. I don't want you can see that this is an interactive book I have got actually. So this interactive handbook on data structure and algorithms. So I would like this interactive books because uh, they are having, I just get to know from LinkedIn, they are having without any offline. You can purchase some of the previews for free, but still you need to purchase. And if you are going for full books, it's around $35. And I think this is a very good investment. I can recommend it because I think this is good. They are going, they are showing, representing data in a much better way. Much better way. Okay, so I would like to copy that interactive website uh, and start. I want to create some interactive books where you can. Oh, where is the site? Where you can browse by doing means whenever you can browse, you can just learn everything easily. Anyway, I'm going to stop this. It's not going to hit the Manus server. So these are the things, and I have probably details checked the last two updates, but there are other updates which we need to uh, which we need to take care of, or which we need to go through actually. Mm, 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 mm. So this is the agent preference cloud browser I have set. Manu schedule task I have set because you can schedule any task at particular certified time, like between before 9 o'clock you can recommend stocks. Okay, that is the schedule task. You don't need to do anything. Your computer will be open and you can get to know your proper stock name. Even it can trade itself. I am going to showcase that later on, because in some cases I have tested it. It will trade just like AI. It's kind of a robot actually, virtual robot you can say. Chat with Manus free, unlimited from today. Chat is free. Chat is free. So tasks are not free. Chats are free. Or is that? Or is that? Oh man. Okay, anyway. So these are all updates, schedule task updates, chat with one of three updates, integrates View 3 of Google. So in backend for image generation, there is option for using View 3. Okay. Uh, so it is available for basic plus and pro members. Better quality video generated. Okay, video is also going to be generated. It's an AGI. From very beginning I told it actually, because it can do everything you do, and there are obviously mixture of agents working in the back end actually, without showing to people. So it's kind of implicit, not explicit. So they are not advertising like Western companies. So their philosophy is little bit different. Okay, so Manu, slides you can use. I have used slides. It's magnificent. I can say, because you can create pitch deck with one single prompt, which still is not properly available in Google Cloud. I can say. Okay, because in slide you can integrate. I have integrated some of them in the morning, Google sites, but they are not means they're some kind of half baked, not full feature actually. Introducing website text editing, you can uh, 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 directly edit the text fields in generated website. Manus image generation, mm, image generation, video generation, and you can analyze anything, no problem. I have tested with some queries, it's working well, very well. And introducing additional fee to access Manus. Okay, if you want to access double credit reward limited time, because it's very long ago March, because they were actually running slow earlier, because they were quite, because at that time there was not much AI in the market. Now it's widespread. So the uh, bar for people, like people's expectations are getting really higher. Okay, so these are the things. Okay, so data research is there. Data are historical bubbles, generative. There is only replay. There is this is slide. This is web page. Okay, and there are lots and lots of more use cases. Africa and Israel connections before Suez Canal. Okay, they are going to politics, bacteria colony simulation deployment. Great. But probably I don't. We don't need. We don't be needing all those. Most of the things in later, because AI is doing everything. So this is the education demonstration. Hmm. Here I need to create some. Let's see. First I need to go for DeepSeek, and then obviously productivity is to clear side from coffee executing Instagram carousel you can do. Okay, you can just go through all these things. Generating data, use search market analysis and slice creation. Okay, programming, business, any business related, because should be there actually. Those tags should be there. Sample weather bullshit not required. Create a 3D model of Neptune. This can be done in a like a class 7, 9, or 12 grade person actually. Read the light tracking app, uh, generate interactive coding. Okay. Okay, so I don't have anything scheduled. Share Manus with friends. This is the okay. This is my link. I should be giving this link in the YouTube video. Okay. Uh, so doing this. Yeah. Okay, so there are lots of things because I don't know if I can like give a full overview. You need to do yourself actually because there are lots of things. There are you can add knowledge and based on that, like any knowledge name and their content. You can add sites actually because okay. So most of the things I have. You can download this app obviously. You can message. Okay. So this is the walkthrough actually. So this is the quite. It can do everything you can think about. As I have told you earlier, it can do everything from Amazon to Google actually. Okay. So anyway, uh, thanks for today, and I am very positive about my voice feedbacks. Anyway, uh, thank you. See you later.